A day at the clinic. Emma is 24 years old. She lives in a small apartment in the city. She works at a bookshop. Every morning, she wakes up at 7 a.m., takes a shower, eats her breakfast, and takes the bus to work. But today is different. Today, Emma wakes up feeling tired. Her throat hurts. She has a runny nose and a little cough. She touches her forehead. It's not hot. I don't have a fever, she says. But I don't feel good. Emma sits on her bed. She drinks some water and eats a banana. She hopes to feel better, but she still feels weak. She takes her phone and calls her manager. "Good morning," she says. "This is Emma." "Hi Emma," her manager replies. "I'm not feeling well. I think I have a cold. I want to see a doctor." "Oh no," her manager says. "Please take the day off. Go to the clinic and rest." Emma thanks her manager. She changes her clothes and wears a warm sweater and jeans. She puts on her mask, takes her bag, and walks to the clinic. The clinic is only 10 minutes away from her house. At the clinic, there are 5 people in the waiting room. Some are coughing. One man is sneezing. Emma goes to the reception desk. "Good morning," she says. "Good morning," the receptionist replies. "Do you have an appointment?" "No, I don't," says Emma. "That's okay. Please fill out this form and wait. The doctor will call you." Emma fills out the form. Name, Emma White. Age, 24. Problem, sore throat, runny nose, cough. She gives the form back and sits on a chair. She waits for 20 minutes. She looks at her phone and watches the news. Then she hears her name. "Emma White?" "Yes, I'm here," she says. "Please follow me," says the nurse. Emma walks into a clean room. The doctor is sitting at his desk. "Hello, Emma," he says with a smile. "Hello, doctor," she replies. "What is the problem today?" "I have a sore throat. I also have a runny nose and a cough," says Emma. The doctor checks her throat, her ears, and her temperature. "Do you have any pain in your chest?" "No, just my throat," Emma replies. "Okay," says the doctor. "You have a common cold. It's not serious, but you must rest. I will give you medicine. Take it twice a day after meals. Drink warm tea, and try to sleep early." Emma listens carefully and nods. "Can I go to work tomorrow?" "If you feel better, yes. But don't go today. Today, just rest." "Thank you, doctor," Emma says. "You're welcome. Get well soon," he says. Emma leaves the room and goes to the pharmacy next to the clinic. "Hello," she says. "I have a prescription." The pharmacist looks at the paper and gives her 3 boxes of medicine. "This is for your throat. This is for your nose. This is for your cough," he explains. Emma pays and says thank you. Then she walks home slowly. She feels tired. At home, she makes hot lemon tea and takes the medicine. She lies on her sofa with a blanket and watches a movie. The next day. Emma feels a little better. Her throat still hurts, but the cough is less. She stays at home and reads a book. In the afternoon, her friend Anna calls. "Hi Emma, how are you?" "I'm feeling a little better. I saw a doctor yesterday." "Oh no. What happened?" "Just a cold. The doctor gave me medicine. I stayed home and rested." "That's good. You need to rest. Do you want some soup? I can bring you some." "Really? That's so kind. I will come at 6 p.m. See you soon." At 6 p.m., Anna comes with a big bowl of hot soup. "It smells so good," says Emma. "It has chicken, rice, and vegetables," Anna says. Emma eats slowly. The soup feels warm and helps her throat. "Thank you so much," says Emma. "No problem. That's what friends are for," says Anna. They talk for a while. Then Anna leaves, and Emma goes to bed early. Back to work. On the 3rd day, Emma feels much better. She wakes up early, takes her medicine, eats breakfast, and goes to work. Her manager is happy to see her. "Welcome back, Emma. Are you okay now?" "Yes, thank you. I feel much better." "That's good. We missed you yesterday." Emma smiles. "I missed the shop too." She works for 5 hours. She talks to customers and helps them find books. At lunch, she drinks tea and eats soup again. She wants to stay healthy. A new plan. In the evening, Emma writes in her notebook. I was sick for 2 days. Now I feel better. I want to stay healthy. I will drink more water, eat more fruits and vegetables, and sleep early. I will also wash my hands often and wear a mask in busy places. She also adds, friends are important. Anna helped me. I want to help her next time.